Hey there, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Sam, and of course, in today's video, I'm going to give you something that I really love so much. This is going to be my top 30 Scratch DNA values with their examples that you can just copy and then paste into your virtual DJ and then get you scratching right away without wasting any time. Now, of course, in this video, I'm going to also give you a bonus tip somewhere around the video, so make sure you don't skip the video in order to catch everything the way it should be. I also always ask new members to subscribe to this channel because that is one way YouTube sends this video to as many guys as possible. Also, be sure to at least let me know what your favorite Scratch DNA is in the comment section down below. Of course, I also want to appreciate those ones who have been my subscribers for long. You've been here since the beginning. You're too many, I can't mention you all. But of course, God bless you. Without wasting time, let's see what we have. Alright guys, so it's time for a bonus tip. Right now, like I told you, I would be showing you how to activate 16 pads in Virtual DJ. So by default, we always have only 8 pads that come with Virtual DJ. In case we open, these are only 8. But then I want to show you how to bring this here that shows you 16. These are the first 8 and then the second 8 are here that makes 16. So all you have to do is go to your configurations and then go to your options. In this box here, just make sure you type 16. Alright, I only typed even 6 and this window popped up here, so it says 16 pads mode. By default it is always in auto, so if it's in auto that means you'll only see 8. So make sure you check on and then the mode will come on. Just see if I really check this to auto, this other little pad here disappears, so when I put it on, this other one comes back. That means you can toggle between the 16 pads by coming to the first 8 and the second 8 down here. Hope that was nice for you. The second thing that I want to show you over here is how you can map endlessly your pads or any other thing in Virtual DJ using the mapping section. So all you have to do here for the Scratch DNA is go back to your settings, come to mapping. Then here you'll always be using the keys that you want to be tapping to activate this Scratch DNA. So in this case, like any other regular mapping, I'm going to use P. I want you to do this. Make sure you type in Scratch _ DNA. And then you have to open quotes. Inside those quotes, you'll be putting your DNA values like these ones here. And of course, after you putting these DNA values, they will be green in color. If you don't put them in quotes, of course, you won't see this green color here. That means something is not correct. So make sure you open a quote, you put your values, and then close the quote. Simply this, even 100 times or 1,000 times. Maybe you knew this before, who knows? But if you didn't, I hope I've helped you in some way or the other. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope the video was really helpful to you. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this one. Also, if you didn't like the video, you can be honest enough to put a thumbs down. But of course, to help a brother, you know what to do. Just like the video and then let's keep us going. Also, let me know what you think in the comment down below. Maybe let me know what your favorite Scratch DNA number was. Just comment down below here, and if you enjoyed it, hope to see you in other videos. Just out of words. Anyway, see you in the next videos. Peace out.